And when introducing it was said, but I was reminded that there is a very good tradition which was set up in Bhagat Singh's family. We always talk about the other day, when last time I was visiting, I was really enthused to find that the first time somebody found Subramanian Swami, Subram Bharti, making a public speech was when Bhagat Singh's uncle Ajit Singh was running a peasant movement. And he was talking about that. And there is some American or British journalist who recorded that. So that means we have been, and similarly, I think the very first document which is survived was also published, which is by an atheist in Tamil. So my question is that we do have learning. And another very important thing is the principle which gave such a long journey of revolutionary in the family was laid by the great grandfather of Bhagat Singh in 1857. When he was offered that why don't you get more land and help the British against 57, he said the principle, there is always a struggle, the man has to struggle between the principle and the property. What he chooses will decide the future. And now it is my example, this is a test for me, that do I choose the principle or I choose the property? And he said that I declare that I go with the principle. The principles which were laid by the late great Guru Gobind Singh, that you stand with the people, not go against them when they are struggling. So I think that reminds us to continue standing on that. And it is the social development is not by a single monotonous process. It is always the voice of resistance is which makes the progress go. And when you are recording, this is one voice, a very strong voices of resistance which has been there. And it has been fed with the sacrifice of that. The other day we found a big consciousness by one girl. First of all, I always say that since 1857, there is that the woman consciousness has been making us move, because 1857 is unique in a way that the women in India fought with the sword in their hand for their emancipation against the East India Company. And that is a unique history. And Netaji Subhash wanted to remind us when against all opposition of Japanese, he established a fighting force of the women, the Rani Jhansi Brigade. It was, he said that this is the tradition which we should have, and that type of, and recently the struggle against the whole, I think that is a inhumanness which the society has produced, which made some consciousness to come out of that. So taking it that this is one good collection, I have gone through all of it, Loco gave me that, and the delay in flight gave me more chance to complete it, because I was only wondering that before I start about it, I should have gone through it. And the delay at the airport was a good time to spend on it. And I found that there is a very interesting recording, Gopal by you, and particularly some debates which have been there, though that time was not published, but now is there. But that is a very important point. The only point was coming to me is those documents which you have talked about, which have been the basis, could they go to the appendix or as a separate publication, so that those documents are there for people to go. It is not only for research workers, it is also for those who are working to learn from the experience which has been there. Positive, active, or always which will be there in that. And particularly an interesting part is that it is the personalities also which are given by the movement which stimulates you. Because I am reminded that one of the most lovable book which Bhagat Singh always loved was the heroes and heroines of Russia. And that is only a character sketch, is written by a colleague about those, and that is they wanted to inculcate in themselves those characteristics. It is not only the thoughts, but it is the human personality which is dwelt into it and gives it type. So I think that was very interesting to me, and particularly when you said there is some empirical studies also of the relationship, and I think that need to be done more. It is a very good documentation about Andhra as such. Maybe others can follow it and try to understand over there. So I heartily congratulate Venu Gopal for giving us this work, and both for bringing it into a light and making available for others. So I thanks them for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. Another last thing was, which is just, Bhagat Singh wrote a very small one sentence, that everything which concerns man is my concern. I think that is which we should. But it is not a matter of who is doing, but if it is a matter of concern, and we are at a juncture when the worst which could be humanly produced, and I was actually working on Eric Fromm, is one person who gives us better understanding about how the society is formed, because the person, and if it is a, like they say, it is a teenager who was torturing the lady, and that means the whole process, the progress may be for few in terms of money, but in terms of human quality, it is falling, and that human quality will be found in the people who are struggling, and you will find much better human relations from that. And that also need to be taught, that it is not, and that type of remarks, that it is the tradition, when you cross the line of tradition, you will suffer. I think which tradition they are talking about? Throwing a pregnant Sita out of home, or some other tradition. So there are few things which need to be questioned, and we are at that juncture. Next few years have to decide in which direction the society goes, and particularly this volume will give it that people have struggled with some values, and they have influenced also, and is rightly recorded that the voice of resistance never goes waste. It always makes some changes into the process, and process has to address to those issues. And I think that way it is very interesting. I congratulate them again, and thank you very much. Inqilab Zindabad.